Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Let's Learn Together. I am Asiya Khawer and today we will complete chapter Electron in an Atom, questions of chapter Electron in an Atom. So here we are with question number 1, which has the same electronic configuration as chloride ion. So you can see chloride ion, its proton number is 17, it means -1 shows it gained 1 electron, 17 electron plus 1 electron, now it has 18 electron. In a similar manner, fluoride ion minus proton number 9 but -1 shows it has 1 more electron, so +1 and it is 10. Now come to the second option, P plus. It has 15 proton number but +1 mean 15 electron minus 1 electron. So at this time it is with 14 electron. And scandium 3 plus mean it has 21 proton number and 21 electron, but it has lost 3 electron, so 21 minus 3 shows that it has right now it has 18 electron. So you can see these two options, they have same electronic configuration and this is your right answer. You can also check this Si4 plus, Si4 plus 14 minus 4 lost 4 electron, it has 10 electron. So your option C is correct option. Question number 2, which statement about a 3p orbital is correct? So you can see there are two things in this question. They are specifically talking about third shell and its p orbital. P orbital mean x, y, z orbital. 3px, 3py and 3pz. Now we need to verify the statements. Number 1, it can hold maximum of 6 electron. It's a generalized term. It is correct for all p orbital. All p orbital, second shell, third shell, fourth shell p orbital can hold maximum of 6 electron. So it is incorrect because they are talking about third shell, specific to third shell. B option, it has the highest energy of the orbital with the principal quantum number 3. No, it has not the highest energy with the third shell. You can see here we are third shell and in third shell 3p here and we have another orbital which has highest energy, it's 3d orbital. So this statement will be incorrect. Option C, it is at higher energy level than 3s orbital. Yes, p orbital is at higher energy level than 3s, but its second part is incorrect. Has the same shape? No. S has a spherical shape and p orbital has a dumbbell shape. Now D option is automatically correct, but we need to verify it. It is occupied by 1 electron in an isolated phosphorus atom. So what is meant by isolated? Isolated means gaseous atom. When an atom is free from other atoms in nature, it is called isolated gaseous atom. So we are just talking about a single atom of phosphorus. So we need to write its configuration to verify that in orbital P, Px, Py and Pz, contain 1 electron. So 1s2, it has proton number of 15, so it has 15 electron. So we are writing configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So we are talking about specifically p orbitals, so we need to write their orbitals. 3px 1, 3py 1, 3pz 1. So you can see that its 3p orbital contain 1 electron in an isolated phosphorus atom. So D option is correct option. Question number 3. What is the order of increasing energy of listed orbital in the atom of titanium? As you can see, proton number of titanium is 22, and when you write its configuration, it will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and after 3p6, 4s will be filled first, then 4s2, and then 3d2. So we need to check this arrangement, 3s, 3p, and option B follow this, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, and you can also see the arrangement of orbital, increasing energy of orbital. We start from 3p and we can see 3d is at last. 3p, 4s, 3d, 3d, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. So your option B is correct option. Question number 5. Which of the particles would, on losing an electron, have a half-filled set of p orbital? So these are the particle. You need to know the number of electron in them first, and then minus 1 electron, and then write their electronic configuration. So there are 3 steps for each option. As you know, carbon 6 in C minus, mean it has 6 plus 1 electron, 7 electron, but on losing it will become 7 minus 1, 6 electrons in it. So what is the configuration of this carbon particle? 1s2, 2s2, 2px 1, 2py 1, 2pz 6. Okay, now come to, this is for carbon. Now come to nitrogen. Nitrogen contains 7 electron, but on losing 1 electron it becomes 6, so it has a same configuration as carbon. Now n minus 1, C option, you can see n minus mean it has 7 plus 1, it has 8 electron, but on losing 1 electron this particle become n and it contain 7 electron. And when we write the configuration of this 7, 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, because they are talking about orbital, 2py1, 2pz1. So these are known as half-filled orbital. Each orbital can accommodate 2 electrons. So you can see these orbital accommodate 1 electron. So this is said to be half-filled set of p orbital. So option C is a correct option. Question number 5. A simple ion X plus contains 8 protons. What is the electronic configuration of X plus? So if X has a 8 proton, it shows that if it is X, it has 8 electron. But at this time we have X plus. So X plus means it has lost 1 electron. Now 8 minus 1, it has 7 electron in this case. So writing configuration of 7 electron, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So B option is a correct option. As you can see that this all together make 7 electron.